Croeso i Tir y Môr, yn cyflwyno'r amgylchedd naturiol Cymru i'ch ystafell ddosbarth. Bydd gweithio trwy'r gweithgareddau hyn yn mynd â chi a'ch dosbarth a daith o'r gopau mynyddoedd uchaf Cymru, drwy rostiroedd, tiroedd amaethyddol, coetiroedd a'r hyd ceuneintydd ucheldirol serth, i lawr rhaeadrau, i drodau Llydan ac allan i'r abereroedd a'r morlinau, ac ymhellach oddi ar ynysoedd anghygol Cymru. Ceir llyfryn ar gyfer 3 phwnc eang, sef tir, afon a môr, ac yna cant ei dadansoddi ymhellach mewn meysydd ffocws. Mae yna gyflwyniad a phwyntiau ymchwil pellach ar gyfer pob pwnc mwyn helpu i wneud y dasg o gynlluniau gwersi yn syml, ac i'ch helpu i ymestyn y gwersi yn ddibynnu y diddordebau eich dosbarth. Awn ni edrych i mewn i'r pecyn a rhai weithgareddau sydd yno.
In order to build a bug hotel, we need to gather materials from around the garden. These can be long pieces of wood, pallets, an old Christmas tree, some leaves, twigs, anything that you can find, and then we can build a bug hotel like this one. Yn bwysig gosod digon o balets mwyn cael digon o arwynebedd i'r pryfaid gael byw yn nhw. Da ni'n torri'r botel yma mwyn rhoi digon o gardfwr a brigau i fewn, a mi fydd hynna'n gei lle i'r pryfaid gael mynd i fewn i fyw. We can put these bottles in between the layers of pallets. If you've got any spaces between the plastic bottles or the pallets, you can fill those spaces with these leaves. It's good to be able to use material that you won't use at all. So these plastic bottles are no use to me, but these bugs can live in here and they can be happy here. You can even use an old Christmas tree. Gyntaf mae'r gwesty pryfaid wedi orffan. Gwnewch yn siŵr bod yna ddigon o lefydd gwag a digon o lefydd i'r pryfaid fedrwn mynd i mewn iddo fo mwyn cael cysgu dros y gaeaf. This activity is a part of the land pack and it's called the Safe Place game. The purpose of this game is to illustrate the loss of habitat that occurs due to human influence in the outdoors. This can be due to deforestation and also natural processes such as flooding. The purpose of the game is to lay out rings or hula hoops or mats to represent the habitats, and after each round one mat will be taken away and this will represent a habitat loss, and you'll have one student left that hasn't got nowhere to go, which will represent a habitat loss.
If you want to find out more about the Pen Llŷn ar Sarnau Special Area of Conservation and for updates on any of the projects, head over to our website or visit the social media pages.